Hey, just a little tip on cooking with fatty ground beef mixture. I used a 25% fat Wagyu beef. Now those are going to tend to plump up because of all the extra fat. So if you're char grilling over a flame or whatever, they're going to plump up. So you want to make sure your patty's flat as possible before you put it on the grill. Where they really do shine are if you're making smash burgers, you get them smashed down. Oh man, they're so juicy. Fortunately, I didn't have the flare-ups that are normally associated, and that's because I kept the charcoal to a minimum. All right, enjoy the video. Hey, greetings from Texas. Real windy today, but I'm gonna try cooking a hamburger on this Mini Tabletop Hibachi. So let's see how it works out. Charcoal started, we're going to wait till they come up to temperature. For ingredients today we have Wagyu beef patties. These are patties which I made. I bought it in bulk and packed them up to a package. These are 75% lean, 25% fat, although I like 80-30. I'm going to flatten these out even more because they tend to plump up and grow small. We got cheese, pickles, onions, romaine lettuce, and just some homemade burger sauce. This is just ketchup, mayo, and mustard. Okay, I took out some of the charcoal. We don't want to get flare-ups and char the outside of our burger. So let's get this heated up. And we just have an old container I use. It's got salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay, the brown is kind of creeping up and juice is coming out the top, so let's flip it. Hopefully that'll die down. Okay, let's see where we are. Still a little bit of blood coming out. Okay, I'm about ready to pull it. Let's go ahead and put our cheese on. There went my plate. Okay, let's toast our buns. Okay, our bottom bun is done. All right, hopefully plates don't blow away. Let's put our lettuce here, patty. Pickle. And here's our burger. All right, here we go. The Mini Hibachi burger experiment. really good job. Just don't overload that with charcoal because of the flare-ups, but we just had momentary flare-ups and went out right away. Well, despite the wind, this turned out pretty good. So stay tuned, because I'm going to do some more experimentation. Next, I think I'm going to cook chicken yakitori. So stay tuned and look up. If you have any questions or comments, look down below. I'll put a link to my first mini hibachi video somewhere. There'll be a card and in the description. All right, appreciate it if you leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this really is delicious. A lot of good charcoal flavor.